I am so excited for this video. You have no idea. I am unboxing the Gap Cult Gaia collection. Guys, I have been a Cult Gaia fan for a few years now. I love what the brand stands for and what it represents. I love the combination of like Earth's textures with like hard metals. I just think it's the coolest. I don't own any of their pieces. Currently, they are still just on my vision board. So when I saw that Gap and Cult Gaia did a collaboration, I was so happy, but I genuinely thought that I was never going to see the day where I'd own any of the pieces because the collaboration didn't come to Europe and Australia never gets anything. Long story short, as you can see, I got it from Zalando. One day I was just randomly scrolling. I was searching for Gap Wicked collection. I've got a hoodie that is in collaboration for like the lead up for Wicked, which that is a whole other story. Like I am so hyped for Wicked. Like I'm actually wearing this color is part of the OPI collection that Cynthia Erivo is collaborating with. Anyway, I was looking at Gap and then I saw the Cult Gaia collection there. And I was like, what the fuck? Like what is that doing there? In this box there are 3 pieces, and then later that night when I bought these pieces, I was like, I really want the pair of jeans. So I also bought the pair of jeans, but I don't have them here. That's going to be delivered, I believe, probably tomorrow. Also really want a dress, and I also want the cargo pants. But when I went back now to order those things, they're not available anymore. Enough with this tangent, let's unbox. Things first, I did get the cap. Oh my god! The Gaia cap in this really pretty like brown earthy color. Literally just says like Gaia in the lining of the cap. That is so cool. I'm going to do this at the end actually. I know I just whipped it out, but I'm gonna put this on properly at the end. This is the sweater. I did get this in a size extra small. Love the color, it's so pretty, and I love this detail of the collaboration between Gap and Cult Gaia's like font. That is so fun. That is so cute. Okay, let me go try this on. This is so cute. Stop. I love the color. I'm so happy that I got an extra small. I was tossing up between a small and an extra small. Fits perfectly. It's definitely true to size. I love this cut that goes there. That is so pretty. I really love the color. I love the fit. I love the feel. This is a 10. All right, let's try the next jumper. Crop sweater that has the Gaia written across the front there. The stitching is really, really beautiful. I did get this sweater in a size medium because I didn't want it to be too cropped. I love it. I more than love it. I love the length. Like I'm so happy I got a medium. It doesn't feel massive. Like it still feels like it fits me really, really nicely. That is so cute. And look at the print there. That is so fun. I love it so, so much. And this is the cap. I will have to say, like I love a really like structured cap. This is my new era cap. As you can see, I love a good khaki moment. But this cap, I love how like at the front, it feels like really like structured. This part here feels more like the back of this cap, like really floppy and loose. Like it's not like bad, but like I will say like I just feel like it doesn't fit like as nicely. But overall, like I do still really, really love it. Feeling beyond grateful, but I will see you in the next clip when I have my pair of jeans and hopefully they fit. It is a few days later. The jeans have arrived. Okay, I think we're gonna be really good for sizing. I got it in a size 24. I love the embellishment that is here. The main button at the front also has that font. Okay, let's go try it on. These are the jeans. They fit nicely. There is a little bit big for me. I'm trying to like stand back so you can kind of get the whole view of the jeans. They're very cute. This is detachable, but I love it there. Guys, okay, this video is so scattered, but I was just on the Gap website right now just to see like all my orders have gone through, and the dress and the cargo pants and the whole collection is there and is now available. I initially said at the start of the video that I wanted the dress and I wanted the cargo pants. I bought the dress. All right, I am back from walking on it and the dress arrived. I got this in a size extra small. I couldn't get it in a size XXS because Zalando didn't stock the smaller size in this, so the smallest was an extra small. I love that it says Gaia there. I love the buckle. Like, this is the hardware that I'm talking about that is the best with Gaia. Like, it just complements so many different materials. Love. Okay, let me go try this on. I love this. I love how it comes in here and then like comes out a little bit. It is a mini, but it like fits like so nicely, the length. It doesn't feel too short. These are the balloon sleeves. If I unroll the sleeves, I do prefer it like up like that. That's just how I wear like my jackets and things like that. I do like, but this is the very Gaia silhouette like that with that like balloon sleeves. This is a 10. It's so comfortable. Like, I'm so shocked with how comfy it is, and these pockets are so deep, which is very much appreciated. Like, it's not a shallow pocket. Like, this is a practical pocket. Actually guys, as I was taking the dress off, I completely unzipped the dress. This can totally double up as a denim jacket. Like, that is incredible. Like, are you joking? Look how cute. I'm still trying to figure out if I'm going to keep the jeans or not, but hello. We love a garment that gives us multiple options. I think that is so cool. And with the jeans, it actually looks really cool together. So now I'm kind of like, maybe I will keep the jeans. Like, I'm mainly going to wear it as the dress, but like, I just love that it's versatile. Bonus. Sorry to jump back to past me, but thank you so much for watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed my unboxing. I hope it was detailed enough if you were trying to decide if you wanted to get some pieces or if you just wanted to see them, if you're part of the world like me who was indulging in so many, like I downloaded TikTok, guys. I don't have TikTok. I re-downloaded it to watch people do try on videos. That's how much I was so hyped for this collection. So yeah, again, feeling so grateful. And I hope you enjoyed the video.